everyone. This is Tara.
Hi.
This is Leah.
Hi.
And I'm Lisa, and we're all part of Team Frida. Frida is our Thai rescue dog. She's just been such an inspiration for us. We got these cute shirts in the mail the other day with the artist Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo was a Mexican artist that was known for her resilience, her determination, and her strong spirit, all of which is represented and why we named Frida Frida. We wanted to share with you today a little tutorial on how to convert a regular old-fashioned t-shirt into something with flair, whether it's being laced up on the sides or laced up in the back, and changing the sleeves and cutting out the neck, giving it a little bit of a boat neck.
For more femininity.
Yeah. Follow us as we take you on a journey into making a cute t-shirt. So let's get started. All you need at home is a t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and some safety pins, and that's it. We're gonna first start with removing the sleeves. So you're gonna want to cut on the inside of the seam. It's easier when you just pull the sleeve together.
Tara and I wanted to cut off our collar.
Like a boat neck.
So we're going to do that cutting along the seam.
So the next thing that we're going to do is remove a portion of the lower part of the shirt. Now you want to remove at least about a 2-inch margin off the bottom of the shirt, and you're going to use the same fabric for the strings, which are going to use to kind of lace up the sides of the t-shirt. And you really want the sharpest scissors so that you get the smoothest lines. With this so far, keep it as one loop like this. That's really important. So now we're going to remove the sides of the shirt.
For my variation, I'm going to be doing it in the back. So rather than 2 side slits, I'm just going to be doing one down the back.
Make sure that the bottom of your sleeve is aligned. And you want to put a safety pin that holds that together. Did I do it wrong? It's unique. You're going to take the tube, which is the bottom part of what you cut. You're just going to cut one along one seam. Then you're going to divide this into half, which should end up with as 2 1-inch wide strips.
It's like a perfect day.
So now I have 2 lace-ups. Make little holes about 1 inch inwards from the edge of the fabric. Each hole that we make is going to be about 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart as we travel down the length of the t-shirt. You want a scissors that has a truly skinny point, the pointiest point. Make sure your fabric lines up on the side.
do our first time, like Tara and I, it can still look just as good as ours.
It's a little wonky, uneven, but
It's like a cute high-low look. Those are very in, or they were like in 2012.
oh yeah, thanks.
We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and now you can go off and wear your t-shirt and have a lot of fun in it.
Follow us on Instagram at Frida, Frida_strong.
And everyone remember, there's strong,
And then there's Frida Strong.
Thank you.